while we're waiting. And let cure this in 30 seconds. In the meantime, I am going to put the precision glue on this first nails that we're doing. I like to just a little bit squeeze out, you can see that, but doing some exam first before you squeeze them in, and just doing it right between the cracks and the gaps and the edges of the nails, so then they won't go over the top of your crystals. It's gonna be the last thing you want to cover it, to take away from beautiful shine and sparkle. So now I'm going to use my tinted brush and give a little swipe to blend all the excess condensed glue, precision glue out, so it make it look so nice and flawless. And cure for 60 seconds. And this nail are completely done. I really like this, and it's so simple, right? So we have a lot of questions on how we'll place a crystal on it. Make sure you place your crystal tight together. Like, it's the closer and the tighter they next to each other, the better, the longer it's gonna last. So this one is 30 seconds done, and we are using this. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Like, if you have a client have a set of nails like this, like in the coral colors, all you need to do is just like, do you want to see this type of flowers on, or you want to see this flowers on, the white or the yellow? That is stunning though. The rose. Hi, Deanna. Hello, XOXO. Yellow. The yellow one. Okay. With the yellow one, we are going to using I am going to do is, if I want my row to be straight, so I'm gonna cut that to save this one so then I can use it. I'm gonna go this side. So you can see more rows. I'm laying this side instead of straight down. Transfer completely. Great. I almost dropped something. Oh, I just dropped my white nails. That's what I've been looking for. So this is a final look for this nails. Good. And go ahead and using a condensed glue gels. I'm excited because when we're waiting for the LED light to cure the other ones, we are almost done with this one as well. So you ladies have a lot of idea to do with your crystal placements. And this is so simple, easy, quick way for beginner. And you can be, like, you already have an ideas on it. And we doing a live video to share with you, so then we inspire from each other. Love seeing all your beautiful work. And thanks so much for sharing with us. Don't forget to hashtags or tag us to be features, and we'll love to feature your beautiful work. So no wipe top coat on the top. If you do the step exactly what I share with you, I'm guarantee with you that they will last at least 3 weeks, if not longer. You'll be so wow. The clients that come back, the crystals stay there. Their nails need to be done, but the crystal absolutely staying there. with this one, there are several different ways to doing this. I can put, I don't know, I want to do this one. Really obsessed with the neon though, because the neon is just so vibrant. But then you can use different colors, okay? You don't have to be necessary use neon. I just doing it, using or doing it two big ones. This time we're using a straight frame instead of the curved one. I just want to show you the different frame on your frame collections. So then that way you can see the beautiful of what you can do with them instead of just like the curved one or straight one, which one you can able to use. Let's see, I have one of this. You can put this one in, or you can also put the different end. You can put another smaller crystals. Adjust them as needed. Now I can using more beads, or if you don't want to be doing more beads, you are totally great. I think you can absolutely just cure under the LED lamp and precision glue to double secure, and then you're good to go. But if you feel like you want to add some more, sometimes I just added some more. The reason it is because I share with the clients that if you want your simple design to be $10, then there are no like beads for the jewelry decoration. But if you pay for your beautiful designs like $15 per design, then it looks like a jewelry. Well, it's already look beautiful. It's just if you want to be more details. And the clients seeing the beautiful nail said, oh, I want to have the beads on it. So you give the clients a variety of what they can do it with their nails. Like if they want, I just want simple crystal placements, great. But if like they would want something different, or they would want something is more like dramatic, then you can add beads on. And like the designs can be between like if it's $10 without beads, $15 with the beads on. So you get the clients an option that they can do with. So here's a stunning thing. If you want to add more beads in between, I say it's between like right here. You absolutely can. It's gonna look so beautiful though. But I want to get some space. So it's some space to make it looks good. Also, if you don't want more, you can add beads in here. I think it looks good. Let me try it with you and see how it turned out. Do just one. Just one. It looks good though, everyone. Oh, not that. Knock that out. And then do one right there. Oh, accidentally it just dropped in there. One right there. If it accident, don't worry, just pick it out. Really simple, right? Everyone's like doing it with me, and you can see how it's fun to do them. Great. I might do both of them right there. It's funny, it's on my hand. Great, so I'm gonna cure it under LED light. Oh, this one it moved, which is totally fine with adjusting it before, which is I love about that condensed glue gel. You can adjust it however you want it until you're happy before you cure it. Great. I'm gonna pull it out and then check really quick and cure under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Looking really nice, everyone. Sorry, I'm just really meticulous. I think it looks good now. Cure for 60 seconds. And then we double secure with precision glue, and then we're good to go for that nails. Hey Amnesia, how are you? Hi Sha, you from? Sean's from Miami. Hey Sean from Miami, how are you? Thank you, Whitney. Thanks so much, Tina. Yeah, it's just a great Sean's from Miami. Oh, thanks so much, Levas. Yes, so it's that's a great great answer that Tina was sharing it. We're using the clear no wipe top coat or the base coat, which is the gels, and then you're gonna using that to I'm gonna using a precision glue, and I'm gonna show it to you a little bit how can you move this one please? I'm gonna using this precision glue and go in to all the cracks, gaps, and edges of the crystals and all the frames, bar, chain, charms, wherever you feel like it's scratchy and you need to seal that so then it won't not catching on the hair and the client's hair and their clothes. And I am gonna give it a swipe to make sure they are nice and blended nicely. Great. Here for 60 seconds. To answer the questions for Shauna, I think it's Sean. I have my palettes right here. I going to using a no wipe top coat. Just 1 drop or 2 drop. And just need to do is swirl your brush. And like same the motion when you're mixing your gels like a little bit. And now I start seeing it's release a lot of bubble and residues from the condensed glue gels. And all you need to do is wipe it off, all the excess, you know, condensed glue gels, and keep it nice, and no acetone or alcohol is gonna ruin your brush. So cap on, I like that because